What's going on, everybody? This is Jay with Island Hopper TV. Today we're coming to you from Vienna, Austria, the #1 most livable city in the world according to the Economic Intelligence Unit. Known around the world as the City of Music, this is where Mozart studied, Beethoven studied. So many composers come from Vienna. This former capital of the Austro-Hungarian Empire is rich in history, full of gardens and palaces to explore, where old world architecture meets modern design. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this virtual tour from around Vienna. If you enjoyed videos like this, do subscribe to Island Hopper TV. Let's start.
Here we are in the city square of Vienna. Just got off the train. Smart sculpture. Let's see, what do we got? That's why I make these videos, because how else would anyone know what it looks like down here if no one made these videos? What in the heck is that thing? What an exquisite piece of art. Slow down, you little chump. What? Yesterday I was in Berlin, and I arrived in Prague. I spent 18 hours in Prague after a 4-hour train ride from Berlin, and then a 3-hour train ride from Prague to Austria. And it's about 6:30 at night right now. Oh, these are some. This kind of reminds me of Paris in a way. Very old town. Tall buildings, skinny streets. Here we are at the Belvedere. Courtyard. Go for a walk here. Alright. Ooh, look at this picture. Pretty sweet shot. Just line it up for a second. All right. They sell helicopter rides over Vienna. Look at this kid. He's gonna get that raven. He'll get him. Oh, the raven retreated. Scat statues. I wonder how old this place is. You cannot walk here. I don't know. I don't really think I can walk on the grass. So we're gonna have to take a look backwards. It's a shame. Every single one of these places you go to in Europe, they always got these construction things going on. So you never get the full detail because they've all got some sort of construction going on. Really tempted to walk across that grass to get the walkway up to that palace. Fighting my very last inner urge. Well, I've almost made it. What now? I didn't see a single person do it, so I hate to be the only guy who freaking walks on that grass. Alright. Those are not church bells. Those are those infamous Euro sirens that you hear in like every European city, from Berlin to Holland, Amsterdam, Prague. It's a good shot right there. Helicopter tours are going on. Okay, Crow is trying to talk to me. I know what happens when you get to the palace. You probably can't even go in. Probably closed. Oh, who's going up the phone? Nice little garden thing. I wonder what the Belvedere is. Beautiful. We should make more palaces like this everywhere. Beautiful. Simply immaculate. I wonder if this was a mountain. Like, this had to have been a mountain. They built a palace on. It slopes upwards. Which makes sense. There's the palace at the top of the hill. See if I can get a picture here. Alright. Picture.
Thank you to everyone for watching this episode of Vienna, Austria. And thank you to everyone for liking this video and subscribing to Island Hopper TV. And we'll see you next time.